kasama ko. Oh. Hindi makita. Hindi makita dahil sa init. Ayan oh. Dito kami ngayon. Dalawa lang kami. Ayan, pasok tayo. Papasok kami dito. After 5 years. Oh, yan. May bike kaming nakita dyan. Yan, ang bike. Ang cute ng bike, diba? Hurry up! Walking. Yan, ang ganda ng bike, oh. Yan na. Oh, diba ang ganda ng bike? Bike time. Let's go. Yan, let's go po. Tayo. Saan tayo?
Doon tayo sa may ilog-ilog ba?
Para malamig. Doon daw kami sa mga ilog-ilog para mas malimig-lamig. O, diba? Parang hindi po mainit. Parang hindi mainit. Diba? Ayan. Punta tayo sa lilim. Ayan, malilim. Ayan, no, parang Pilipinas lang. Parang sa kabukiran ng Pilipinas. Okay. Grabe init ba? Parang hindi kami napapagod dito. Yung kasama na nga yung lukbit mo din. Hindi. Yan. Botanic Garden. Ganda. This is it. Yun. Ano yun? Ibon? Yan. Gardens. Keep healthy. Please do not feed us. Okay. Yan. Yan. They asking don't feed them. Maybe because they're not hungry. So cute. Okay. Dito kami maghahanap ng aming lugar para kami ay mananghalian. O, diba? Open for picnic. Open for picnic din. O, yun o. Ang dami nagpipicnic. Okay, so good. Where you want to go? Hey, 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 you're so cute. O, ayan. Ito naman ang Swan Lake Gazebo. Let's see what they can see here. What we can see. What that? I don't know. This is it. Yes. Oh, so cute. This is so cute one. Okay. Okay. Ah, that's why it's labeled. Oh, so cute. Yan. Yan. Oh, diba? This is it. Oh, so great. Ayun yung lake. Swam swan lake. Oh, so cute. So cute. So good. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Ang ganda-ganda. Ayan. Ayun yung swan. I can zoom it. Ayan. See, ang ganda. Okay. Just I put it back. Yes. Ayan. Lalapitan natin mamaya. Ayan. Ah. So, diba? Ang ganda-ganda. Just walk around here. Then I saw one dog here. You see? You can walk it. Did I see it? Yeah. Yeah, it's so cute. I have two. I have two. They're so cute. They're so cute too. Sundan ko yung dalawa, oh. Sinusundan ko talaga yung dalawa na yan. Nang kulit. Oh, diba? Oh, yan. But I so feel hungry already. Yeah. Did you see that? Then my phone is full, yeah. Yeah, turtle. That is a turtle one. Yeah, so good. Have fish also. Oh, see. You can see the fish. That is tilapia.
Tortillas.
No, it's tilapia. I saw. Yeah. Oh, there. See? Did you see? Turtle one. So. Oh, one more. Have another one. Oh, have another one. Yeah, have one. I have two now. Oh, that's a. Oh, see? Oh, see? Did you see that? They greet each other. Ah, I didn't saw it. Yan. Oh, lumalapit sila dito eh. Oh, see? Oh, so cute. One more. I see. Ooh. See? Yeah. Yan ang makikita dito sa Swan Lake. Turtle. Yeah. Turtle. Ayun na. Ayan.
你要摸乌龟，怎样摸呢？你要下去水里面的。
It's so cute.
你要放你下去水里面吗？
Yan po ang kabuuan ng lake. Malaki siya. Yan. Ayan. So cute. Diba ang cute? It's a cute. Yan na. Yan, sige guys. Ito yung part 1 dito sa Botanic Garden. After 5 years na nagpunta update ko sa inyo. Ayan, ang Swan Lake. Pero hindi isa nang nakita namin, kundi ang turtle. Bye-bye for now. See you on my next episode. Bye-bye. God bless everyone.